A smile, a frown, a look of surprise, or a simple raise of an eyebrow. Facial expressions. They're the universal language understood by all, transcending borders and cultures. They are our first form of communication, our initial interface with the world. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's happening behind those expressions? What complex processes are at work in our brains to decipher a smile from a scowl? The journey of facial perception begins with the eyes, the windows to our souls. What we see is captured and converted into nerve signals, setting off a remarkable chain reaction. These signals travel along neuronal pathways, intricate networks that act as information highways, reaching different parts of our brain. A key player in this journey is the fusiform face area, a region of the brain specialized in recognizing faces. It deciphers the information, distinguishing a friend's face from a stranger's, a happy face from a sad one. But what's truly fascinating is that this process isn't symmetrical. Yes, you heard that right. Our brain doesn't treat both sides of a face the same way. This asymmetry in face perception is a curious phenomenon. Studies suggest that the right hemisphere of our brain is more engaged in face perception than the left. It's as though our brain has divided the labor, assigning the right side the task of understanding faces, while the left side focuses on other aspects of vision. But the mystery deepens. Recent research has uncovered neural mechanisms that are specifically tuned to recognize not just faces, but also the emotions they express. These mechanisms detect subtle cues, like the curve of a smile or the furrow of a brow, and interpret what they might mean. But despite all this knowledge, there is still so much we don't understand about how our brains process faces. Why do we remember some faces and forget others? What makes a face memorable or forgettable? And what about those who struggle with face perception, unable to recognize even familiar faces? What's different about their neural pathways? As we delve deeper into the world of facial expressions and the brain's role in interpreting them, we realize that it's not just about recognizing faces. It's about understanding emotions, building connections, and communicating without words. It's a complex dance between sight and cognition, a testament to the marvels of our brains. And yet, as we close, a lingering doubt remains. If our brain can misinterpret or overlook certain facial expressions, what else might it be missing? How much of our world, our reality, is shaped by these unseen, unacknowledged errors in perception? It leaves one wondering, doesn't it?